These are the elevators. This is the elevator. The hot-end parking garage in Duluth, Minnesota. Oh, 6. It's traction. Fast. Oh. It's hot. Oh, it doesn't ding, but it lights up. Let's go down to 1. Let's get a quick look at this. Here's the phone. Here's the panel. And we're here. 1 doesn't show. And I need to go to... Actually, and that's it. Thanks for watching.